So Deepika, let me ask you, what was the thought behind this? Why do you think it's so important that children learn, but they are not really always in a structured medium or an institution or a classroom? They can learn even while they play, and probably that is the best way that they can learn.
Thank you so much. That's a wonderful question, actually, and perhaps the most important question in a setting like this. Creating spaces for play is perhaps one of the most required mandate, if I may say so, both at a policy level and at a science level, particularly for children in the first 400 weeks. And at Ekstep Foundation and a large number of organizations who are working particularly in the early years to bring attention to the idea. Why is this important? It is important because children learn best through play. And play is not like specifically like sport or anything structured in that way. Everything they do with that intent is play. And therefore, creating spaces, creating thriving, joyful environments, so whether it is within school, within Anganwadis, within our community spaces, or in spaces like this, to make space for children. And like that lady said, we are not teaching them, we are just giving them space. To do that is critically important as a society. And for that reason, Bachpan Manav is an invitation to participate in this journey of unlocking play for children and the abundance of childhood.
So the abundance of childhood, and that's something so important. And what do we really mean by that? Because, it's so interesting to know that a child's brain develops the most in the first 3 years of life than at any other point in their life. And the first 3,000 days, that is till the age of 8 years, it offers the best opportunity for a child's growth and development. And like I said before, that does not really mean only classes or coachings or institutions or schools. They are very important. School की अपनी अहमियत है, structured learning की अपनी अहमियत है, लेकिन जो शुरुआती 8 साल हैं, उसमें ऐसे मौके दें, जैसा अभी आपने सुना, ऐसे दीपिका ने हमें बताया कि ऐसे मौके दें, जगह बनाएं बच्चों के लिए, spaces बनाएं, जहां वो सीख सकें और खेल के माध्यम से सीख सकें. Because play is the ultimate cheat code to create an optimum childhood and a childhood of abundance and growth. And it is essential also to build those basic life skills that children can develop during their childhood.